Apple cider vinegar has many uses beyond just cooking and salad dressings.
It is also a powerful natural cleaner that can help keep your home free of harmful chemicals and toxins. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, you can use it to effectively clean a variety of surfaces in your home. There are many benefits to using apple cider vinegar for cleaning your home, such as non-toxic. Apple cider vinegar is a natural and non-toxic alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. It's safe to use around children and pets, and won't harm the environment. Affordable. It is an affordable cleaning solution that can save you money on expensive cleaning products. Antibacterial. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties that can help kill germs and bacteria on surfaces in your home. Deodorizing. Using it can help neutralize odors and leave your home smelling fresh and clean. There are various uses of apple cider vinegar for cleaning, such as kitchen surfaces. You can effectively clean and disinfect kitchen surfaces, using it such as countertops, sinks, and stovetops. To clean, mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply to the surface. Wipe clean with a damp cloth. Bathroom surfaces. It can also be used to clean and disinfect bathroom surfaces, such as sinks, tubs, and toilets. To clean, mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and apply to the surface. Let sit for a few minutes, then scrub and rinse clean. Floors. It can also be used to clean and deodorize floors, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. To clean, mix 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar with a gallon of warm water and use a mop to clean the floors. Windows and mirrors. It can be used to clean windows and mirrors. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray onto the surface. Wipe clean with a microfiber cloth for streak-free results. Laundry. Use it as a natural fabric softener and odor remover in your laundry. Add 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar to the rinse cycle of your washing machine to soften and freshen your clothes. While apple cider vinegar is generally safe to use for cleaning, there are some precautions to be aware of. Do not use undiluted. It is highly acidic and should not be used undiluted. Always dilute apple cider vinegar with water before using it to clean. Test on a small area first. Before using apple cider vinegar on a new surface or material, test it on a small area first to ensure that it doesn't damage or discolor the surface. Do not use on marble or granite. Apple cider vinegar is highly acidic and can damage marble and granite surfaces. Avoid using it on these surfaces. In conclusion, it is a versatile and affordable natural cleaner that can effectively clean and disinfect a variety of surfaces in your home. From kitchen counters to bathroom tiles, it can help keep your home clean and free of harmful chemicals and toxins. Always dilute apple cider vinegar before using it to clean, and test it on a small area first to ensure that it doesn't damage or discolor the surface. For more information about apple cider vinegar, you can watch this next video, or read the description down below.